Hello and welcome to Laguna Niguel, California, into the beautiful Bear Brand neighborhood where we are just getting ready to embark on a partial home remodel, a little bit of a facelift, if you will. My name is Sabrina Phillips. I am with Designing Women of Orange County here in Orange County, California. And we are going to really accentuate some beautiful spaces in this home to help bring out some of the style of the homeowner. So why don't we take a look inside and I'll show you all of the little things we're going to do. I think you'll really like it. So welcome, here we are inside of this beautiful home that's about to get even more beautiful. It is really going to wow you when we are done with it. Some of the things that we're going to be replacing here and changing up is the tile. We're taking out all of this terrazzo tile here and we're putting in a beautiful 36 by 36 white and gold striated tile in here. It is going to look really, really beautiful. One of the other things we're going to do over here, they've actually already started, is we're replacing the stair casing, and we'll show you some ideas of what it's going to look like, basically, here in this video. But so we're taking out the stair casing, we're putting in a black wrought iron handrail along with some gold spindles, and they are really, really beautiful. It's going to be very blingy, but very beautiful. And then we're going to paint the entire house, all of the interior of the home. Then we're also replacing all of the carpet throughout for her and her husband. And then the draperies are all getting done here in this living room and dining room space that you see here. And a new chandelier will be put in the dining room. Also in the dining room, we're going to do some faux painting on the ceiling, and it is going to match the flooring. So it's going to be more of a white with a, it's going to look more like a white Calicut gold up in that ceiling. So we've got a faux finisher that will be doing that for us. So one of the other things that we're going to be doing for the homeowners here is these niches. She has 4 of these here in the home, and right now they're very dark, and so what we're going to do is have them faux painted into a white Carrara gold type of marble look, and it's going to really update and lighten the home up. So we'll show you those here in the upcoming video. The last part of what we're doing is we're remodeling this downstairs powder room, and that is going to be a real statement piece for them as well. So I'd like to show you the before, and then if you watch the next video, then you'll see the after, and I think you'll be really amazed by it. Well, welcome to the powder room. Here we are. It's really a 3/4 bath because it does have a shower here in the back. We're going to be putting a drapery up here that's made in a black and gold satin drapery. It's going to be very full, pulled back slightly, and kind of hide the shower because they don't use it at all, but we didn't want to take it out either. So the other thing that we're going to do in here is we're going to replace this vanity, and it is going to be this really cool contemporary black with gold vanity. We'll have an undermount white sink with a gold rectangular grate in that sink, which is going to look really nice. And then we're replacing this faucet for a gold faucet with Swarovski crystal handles to it. So it's going to be very, very posh, very rich feeling in here. The other thing that we're going to do is we're going to be painting the walls kind of a gold glitter all the way around, but over here right to my right side, the base of this, the bottom part, is going to be like a black glitter. It's going to be something you've never seen before, and above it we'll have a little bit of a darker gold. So it's going to be really a very different look for sure. So you'll have to stay tuned though for the next video to see the after effects of what we do for her here. So thanks so much for watching. Again, my name is Sabrina Phillips with Designing Women of Orange County. And if you have any questions about a remodel that you are doing, you can give us a call at 949-371-9075 and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks again for watching, and click subscribe and share, and if you've got friends you want to send this to, please do that. We appreciate it. Thanks.